Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the laptop is charged and the Wi-Fi adapter is enabled. This avoids interrupted changes. Next, open the Action Center on Windows or the Control Center on macOS to access connectivity controls quickly. Once done, look for the airplane mode tile or the airplane icon. It's the direct toggle. Make sure you have admin access if prompted, because some corporate profiles lock radios. If so, sign in or contact IT before proceeding. You now toggle airplane mode off. On Windows, click the Action Center tile so the airplane icon is dimmed, and then confirm the network icon returns to normal. On Mac OS, use Control Center to disable airplane mode or manually re-enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Once the radios are back, scan available networks and pick yours. Make sure to wait a few seconds for DHCP and authentication. If you have saved networks, the system should reconnect automatically without extra steps. You finish by verifying connectivity. Open a browser or ping a known IP like 8 to confirm packets flow. If you're still offline, make sure airplane mode truly toggled off. Then toggle the Wi-Fi adapter in Device Manager or Network Preferences, restart the networking service, or reboot the laptop. One key troubleshooting tip: check for a physical airplane mode switch or press the FN plus airplane key on the keyboard. Hardware controls override software. If issues persist, update wireless drivers or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.